The mother of a Jamaica college student is angry and frustrated after her son was brutally beaten by 4th and 5th form boys last Tuesday at the school. She explained that her son has spent only a year at the school and within that time has been bullied because of his accent and the way he wears his hair. Now, one student was charged this morning for wounding in relation to the incident and is to face the courts soon. Kirk Wright reports.
Jamaica College still riding on their wave of victory at the boys and girls champs on the weekend. At the school this morning, a celebratory atmosphere. Meanwhile, one of their own, a 4th former, has been at home for a week now nursing injuries he received from a battering at the school last Tuesday. The student was left bruised and confused after being attacked by a group of boys on the compound. The victim says he was walking towards the canteen to have his lunch when about 6 of them yelled out to him that he had dropped his money. The victim says after picking up the money, another boy from the group approached him saying the money belonged to him.
He tried to pull the money from my hand. He was pushing me in the chest and I kept yelling at him, telling him to get away from me and telling him that, no, this was my money. They just told me it was my money.
The victim says he tried to ward off the boy who was becoming more aggressive, but said that only incensed the others who also turned on him.
He punched me right in the face, directly in the chin. I received the punch and threw my food at him to try to defend myself and get him away from me because he was being, insane. He was yelling all kinds of insanity, all types of nonsense. I threw my food at him. He dropped his bag and rushed me. He proceeded to punch me in the nose right here, which caused an injury, breaking my nose right here across the bridge. I received more punches to the eye, to which I tried to defend myself the best I could. I felt hands pulling my hair, which I'm still feeling lots of pain in my head from that. There were hands pulling my hair that I just couldn't really understand what was going on, The next thing I knew, I was on the ground on my back, being beaten down in the face, on the chest. I have bruises all over my body.
The students who witnessed the battering alerted the Dean of Discipline, who took the victim to the school's nurse for treatment. The boy's mother says she is particularly hurt because her son is a very gentle soul who gives zero trouble. She says now her son has been left with injuries he doesn't deserve.
He has a tear in his conjunctiva at the very least, which was briefly conveyed to us. He has a more fulsome, thorough eye examination scheduled for tomorrow. But CT scan has confirmed that his nose is broken. So now we have to go see surgeon, right? I have no idea where this mountain of medical expenses is going to take us. And this was all thrust upon me in a moment.
She says his medical bills are piling up with more assessments to go.
I have spent close to $100,000 since Tuesday on x-rays, CT scan, doctor visits, ophthalmologist.
The mother says she has not received a call from the principal. However, the school nurse and another teacher have reached out to her.
Which underscores what I've already heard, and both anecdotally and from evidence from my son, that fights happen at Jamaica College almost daily. Brutal fights.
We asked the principal, Wayne Robinson, about the incident this morning.
We are aware of the incidents any incident that took place, and it goes through a procedure here of investigation and a procedure of taking action based on those investigations.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.